Greetings and welcome to Austin, Texas Gardening. Today I'm going to be talking about growing sweet potatoes in a bucket. So if you've been watching my videos for a while, you've probably seen these Home Depot buckets sitting out on my old patio, and unfortunately I had two of them, but one of them got filled with ants. So I had to pull it up, and these are some of the sweet potatoes that came from that, most of which were ruined. But today we're going to empty out this bucket I have right here. So before I go any further, I want to let you guys know, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I just bought a new house and I'm working on all sorts of really cool construction projects. I'm going to be building a huge raised bed here and should have a video on it probably by at least Friday of this week. But for right now, we're going to be taking a look at our sweet potato bucket. So this one, I didn't even plant slips. I just stuck half a sweet potato, what you see there on the top. These potatoes below it are new growth, and just stuck this in a bucket on about April 15th. Today is November 15th, so that makes it a solid, that's 7 months. And I was gonna dump it at 6 months, but with the move and everything, I just didn't have an opportunity to. So today we're gonna be emptying out the contents of this bucket in our wheelbarrow here. So let's see what we got. And you can kind of see my process for this. Again, as I've stated in some of my previous sweet potato videos, I use all HDPE 2 food safe plastic, drilling holes in the bottom like this. You can get a good container for, $3 using these buckets versus, some glazed ceramic that's going to cost you $40 or more. So let's go ahead, and I might have to set my camera down to get this out because I'm doing it with one hand. But no, we got it. Wow. So lots of roots. And let's just go ahead and start scooping and see how many tubers we got. So I didn't water this very much. I'd water probably about once every 2 weeks. And being that I'm building that raised bed I just showed a moment ago, I wanted to empty out our bucket so we could repurpose some of this soil in my huge raised bed. Yeah, we got a few tubers here. They're not huge. I think growing sweet potatoes in buckets, there's probably a better way to go about it than the way that I'm doing. I'm sure, I'd planted slips in my other bucket that the fire ants got in, and I think that one did a lot better. Just to tell you the truth, this one is one of the smaller yields I've had thus far. Like, look at this. What is going on here? Those are some very funky looking sweet potato tubers. I'm pretty sure that if I had planted slips, I would have had a better result. But there are some things in here. And here's the bottom of the sweet potato. So yeah, not a huge turnout. I'm definitely going to be planting slips next time, because I can just say, matter of factly, there were more sweet potatoes in my other container. I didn't really get it on film because there were so many ants everywhere that I just threw away the stuff the ants had been eating into. But yeah, definitely the individual tubers technique, or individual slip technique, worked a lot better than one tuber. I don't know why we have these almost carrot length like sweet potatoes, but they're really oddly shaped, but kind of cool. And I'm gonna bring these inside, let them cure, and I don't know, I guess we'll slice them up, fry them up or something. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and once again, stay tuned because this is gonna be really cool here in the next couple of days. Thanks again for watching Austin, Texas Gardening.